The US and China just hit pause on a tariff time bomb, and a face-to-face between Trump and Xi is now locked for Thursday in South Korea. Here's the quick timeline and what it actually means for your wallet. Over the weekend in Malaysia, negotiators reached what both sides are calling a framework, think preliminary consensus, not a finished deal. China's top trade negotiator confirmed it. The US Treasury says it's a very successful framework. Why this matters? It diffused a tariff spike that was set to land November 1st. We're talking triple-digit duties on Chinese imports, some projections as high as 157%. That's the kind of thing that turns holiday shopping and factory orders into a headache. With the framework, that cliff is off the calendar. For now. China, on its side, is expected to delay a new rare earth export licensing regime by a year. Translation: fewer sudden shocks for EVs, wind turbines, electronics supply chain. Next stop, Gyeongju, South Korea. On Thursday, Trump and Xi meet on the sidelines of APEC, their first sit-down since Trump returned to the White House. Officials say the Kuala Lumpur talks made significant progress, so this summit isn't a photo op. It's the potential bridge from framework to deal. Markets liked it. Asia rallied, US futures popped, the risk mood brightened. What's actually on the table? First, fentanyl. The US wants tighter controls on precursor chemicals flowing out of China. Expect that to be issue number one. Second, agriculture. Substantial soybean purchases, other farm purchases. Fast relief for American farmers. And there's a roadmap beyond Thursday. More meetings are planned. A likely Trump visit to Beijing before Lunar New Year. Xi traveling to the US before next fall's G20. Possible stops, Washington, Mar-a-Lago. But let me be clear, a framework is not a finished deal. No enforcement deals yet, no final tariff rollbacks yet. It's momentum, not mission accomplished. What I'm watching this week: do both sides announce concrete targets? Tons of soybeans, specific fentanyl actions, clear timelines? Is there a mechanism to snap tariffs back if promises slip? Any surprise ads, like tech export rules, data security, sneaking into the agenda? If the summit locks in deliverables, the market rally gets legs. Supply chains breathe. If not, those paused tariffs come back into play. And fast. Bottom line, the US and China stepped back from the edge, set a date to talk, and gave the economy a little air.